Welcome to the Event Planning Hub. This template is designed to streamline your event planning process, whether you're organizing corporate events, weddings, or social gatherings. With quick action buttons, multiple pages, and databases to ensure efficient, stress-free event planning. You have a client management to keep all your client information organized and easily accessible. A vendor directory to track and manage all your vendors in one place. A venue database to store and compare venue options with detailed information. Guest list management to handle RSVPs and guest information efficiently. Financial tracking to create and manage event budgets. And a resources hub for easy access of your resources. You have an events database to track multiple events simultaneously with different views. Lastly, you have task management for organizing to-dos with board and calendar views. You can link event details such as client, venue, and more. You can plan for all types of events. Link vendors working on the event, and create and manage the event guest list. On each event page, you can create a task checklist to make sure you don't forget a thing. You also have a to-do list with multiple views for more detailed task breakdown. Lastly, you have the event budget. On the budget page, you can create budget categories with an amount for each category. As you record expenses, the amount spent and amount left will be automatically calculated. The total amount spent and amount left for the event will also be calculated. This template is fully customizable to fit your specific needs. You can add new sections, modify existing databases, and adjust the layout to match your workflow. With this event planning hub, you'll have everything you need to manage successful events from start to finish. Thanks for watching, and happy planning!